a factory reverse camera plug, and you can see what you got coming out of it. So majority of people, you're going to have like a pink one up the top here. That's your power. There's 2 wires, 2 pins down the bottom of your ground, and then over here you got your video, a positive and like negative. And what we've actually done is like an aftermarket, got the camera all like fit in there. You just need to take our power, like video positive and like negative in it, and then like hook it up, and that's your DC power. And then at the front here, you have to like chop our harness, because the original camera was like a 6-volt camera, so we had a little drop down in here. So you need to get rid of this. So you are basically going to chop the red and the like wires here, chop them off this little black thing, like join them direct together, and then when you go into reverse, you also have to change the format to 1080p 20.5, and you'll be getting the aftermarket camera coming through just using the factory cables.